and you decide to add coverage in the future, like say 5 years later, the cost of that coverage at that point would be based on your attained age. How old are you today? Next, we have an accidental death rider. Now, the accidental death rider will usually pay some multiple of the face amount in case of an accidental death. It will usually state like double or triple indemnity, 2 or 3 times the face amount. Now, for the rider to pay, death must occur within 90 days of the accident. So for the rider to pay, death must occur within 90 days of the accident. If this rider is on a policy and the insured happens to die of an accidental death, let's say 5 months after the accident, then the rider would not pay because it is outside of the 90 days. It does not affect the life insurance piece. It only affects the rider. Next, we have the accidental death and dismemberment rider, which is similar to the AD&D rider, but it's going to state an amount that it would pay for an accidental death. That amount is called the principal sum of the AD&D rider. So it would pay that principal sum, whatever amount stated, for an accidental death. Now, if we're to pay for an accidental death, death must occur within how long do you think? Hopefully you say 90 days. So that 90 days for accidental death will be consistent throughout your test. It would also pay the principal sum if there is a double dismemberment or permanent blindness or permanent deafness. Then the insured would receive that principal sum. Next, there's the capital sum, which is a percentage of the principal sum, but that would only get paid for loss of one of something, like loss of sight in one eye, loss of hearing in one ear, loss of one limb, okay? So it's only loss of one for the capital sum, and it's a percentage of the principal sum. Next, we have a term rider. A term rider is a way to add additional protection for a period of time to a